guys, welcome to Food and Living. I'm Shweta. Getting dressed up or about jewelry? Then you're right. Yes, even my dress has some jewelry, earrings. I love earrings, I love jewelry. And like me, many of you must also be loving the jewelry. And you all know wedding season is here and a lot of functions, weddings, festivals are coming up. And I'm going to show you some of the jewelry hacks as all women love. I also love jewelry and getting ready, and I'm going to show you some of the hacks which I've learned through the years of using jewelry. And these hacks are going to help you for all the quick parties, all those college parties, office parties for which you need a few jewels just for a day and you don't really want to invest in a lot of things. But following some of these steps and some of these hacks is going to help you that look, and you can rock that look. Hack is for almost everyday use, the bracelets which we generally use, and it is always very difficult to wear it alone or ourselves. So a very easy hack, what you can do is you can use a safety pin like this and insert it at the end where you have those rings to wear it, like I just did, and then you can hold that with your fingers and then you can clip it. This is very easy and very useful. Generally we always ask somebody else to hook the bracelet, but this is a very easy hack. And if you want a thicker or a different looking bracelet, then you can use two bracelets like this. You can join each other, so you can have a nice and thick bracelet and wear it with the same trick. And the next one is using bangles. Sometimes bangles are tight and it is very difficult to wear them and also to take them out. So a very easy hack would be to use a polythene cover like this. Just roll the polythene over your hands and then insert the bangle, and very easily it will slide through. And similarly you can also pull it out very easily. So this way your bangles are also not spoiled. Sometimes they also ask you to use soap and water, but by this method the bangles are also very intact and all the stonework and other work also is not damaged. And next one is easy and time saving tip, I would say, wherein you would have to arrange your bangles according to the way you want to wear it, and then you can save your time so that you do not have to arrange it every time, and when you're in a hurry you can very easily grab it and wear it. This can be very useful during a function, wedding, puja, anything like that at your home, wherein you're ready within no time. So all these tips can help you get ready very fast without consuming too much time. And once you arrange it, you have to just thread it or use a simple thread or a cloth thread like this and then tie it so that it is intact like this, and this itself can go into a box, into your organizers, and they hold the shape, and it is very easy to pull it out and wear it. And the next hack is for earrings. If any stones or kundan is fallen on, please do not throw the earring itself. You can easily use a glue and stick it. And another tip, if you have allergy to artificial earrings, is to apply transparent nail polish to the part where you are going to insert it into your earlobe. And if you have wearing earring like this, and if you have a very small hole for the earlobe, then you can first screw and then put on the stud, so that way you can wear it very easily. And also if you have a tassel like this, and if you are looking for some matching outfit or matching earrings, you can just take a matching or a contrast stud and then insert it into the hole, and then you will have a earring like this. So this is something I do always, and like that you can have tassels of many shapes and colors. And also these tassels are versatile. You can use it for your blouse and your dupattas, your saris, etc. And also having earrings like this, necklace like this, can serve as both a bracelet and choker, so you can use it in both the ways. Even oxidized silver jewelry can be used like this. Next one is using a sari pin. This is a sari pin which has a beautiful design, and I always use these things to make it as a pendant and then wear it on different types of outfits. It can go well with your Indian ethnic wear very nicely. so you don't have to buy different pendants for everything. So this is a hack which is very nice and interesting. You can definitely try this. Next one is again very interesting. We generally spend a lot of money or invest a lot of money in buying silver jewelry. This is a silver anklet, and it has danglers like this, colorful danglers. And it is generally only occasionally that I wear these kind of, or we wear these kind of anklets, and do not prefer wearing it every day. So what you can do is you can insert a pendant of which is matching, and then attach both the anklets, and then you can wear it as a necklace. So it will look very nice, elegant, and very pretty, as you can see. And the next one is using a mangtika. How do you set mangtika? This is a hack that I generally follow. Using a wool or a thread which is black in color, you can insert it into the pendant, and you can use a hair clip, and then you can wear it like this. And so that it does not fall, what you can do is you can give a knot like this, so that it is stiff and does not move from its place. And then you can wear it as per your wish. Set it using hair clips, and you can also use rubber band and wear a small plate, and then insert it into your hairstyle, so that it again does not move from its place. And also the part from which the chain is inserted, to make that invisible, you can set your bangs so that it is not visible. This is a hack I generally follow with both earrings and pendants. If you all wearing any traditional outfits for weddings and anything like that, especially for college occasions or office wear, and to make it not move from its place, I'm using a double-sided tape. This is a very cheap or economical kind of a hack, and very affordably you can achieve this. Just move your hair away from the double tape sticker so that your hair is not pulled, and that becomes a very nice mangtika there. Similarly, using earrings, that's what I'm going to do. I'm taking a thread or a wool, and then I'm going to lock it with its own, and then again same like I had already shown you before. You're going to make it stable using a clip, and then you can use a double tape to stay in place. So there it is, a nice hack. You can generally always use it. And then this is another hack for earrings. If you want long earrings, or if you want to have earrings of for some kind of look recreation or something very specific, what you can do is you can mix two earrings like this, one with the hoop and another with the stud kind of an earring which has a stud, so you can use both. And another one is using a pendant as a hair tie or a hair accessory. You can insert a rubber band through the place where you would generally insert a chain, and then that you can use it as a rubber band, or you can also use it as a accessory to decorate your bun or any style that you want to do. It looks very trendy and traditional, and these days the temple jewelry clips are also quite in, and if you have a pendant like this, then you do not have to buy another piece of jewelry to get that look. So this is something again I think you should definitely try. This is another hair accessory which I use it as a pendant or sometimes even as a sari ghunguru. It looks very nice. And another one is using this choker. This choker is generally worn like this, and it can also be used as a headband, hairband for kids, or even for some kind of outfit where you want a certain look like this, then you can wear it as a hairband, which looks very nice. And then similarly you can wear these kind of jewelry as baju buns, and they look very nice. You can also use layered necklaces as baju buns because they look very nice. And coming to nose pins, if you do not have a pierced nose and wish to wear a nose pin, Then you can use a bindi like this, which is studded, and it looks like a nose pin. This is very easy and very quick trick you can follow. And otherwise you can also use this pressing kind of nose pins, which you get in various shapes and sizes, which look very. You can also use this stone kind of small studded pressing pins, which also look very nice. This is something I always do and looks very nice. And for bindis, the colorful and big bindis sometimes cost a lot. So what you can do, and which is a very easy hack, is to use 2 to 3 bindis and achieve a kind of look which you want. And you can also use these kind of bindis as your sindoor, and play around with bindis with different colors. You can match it with your outfits, and also play around with 2 to 3 different kinds of bindis to get a look that you want, or to achieve something unique and nice. So this is something which can allow you to be really creative, and you can really go around and play the way you want. This is it with bindis. And next one is to save these kind of good looking accessories, which you can use as your finger rings, or you'll use it with your rubber bands as hair accessories, etc., and clips for. So that was it, guys. That was jewelry hacks for you. Hope you liked it, and hope it will be helpful for these wedding and function seasons. Let me know in the comment section which are the hacks which you also follow, and which are the ones which you like. And if you like such videos, then please do comment and let me know. And please subscribe to my channel Food and Living for more such interesting videos and ideas. And see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care.